Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, i-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa ating barya guys. Ang 1 centavo ng Pilipinas. Mayroong taon na 1963. The 1963 Philippine 1 centavo coin is part of the English series, minted from 1958 to 1963. This series is notable for its use to English language inscriptions and designs reflecting the nation's cultural heritage. Specification: composition brass, 95% copper, 5% ang zinc. Weight 3.08 grams. Diameter 19 mm and thickness 1.45 mm. Shape round with a plain edge. Orientation: coin alignment. Obverse features the coat of arms of the Republic of the Philippines, encircled by the inscription Central Bank of the Philippines o Republic of the Philippines. So, ito pala yung obverse guys noong 1963. Yung nakasulat na coat of arms of the Philippines, encircled by the inscription Central Bank of the Philippines. So ito yung ating obverse guys. Dito naman tayo sa ating reverse. Ito yung ating reverse guys. Depicts a full-length image of seated man beside an anvil holding an hammer, symbolizing labor and industry. In the background, the active Mayon volcano is illustrated. The denomination 1 centavo and the year 1963 are also present. Mintage and circulation in 1963, a total of 153,515,000 and 1 centavo coin were minted, making it the highest mintage year for this denomination. Within the English series, these coins were produced at the United States Mint in Philadelphia. They remained in circulation until they were demonetized. The English series coins were introduced in 1958, reflecting the Philippines' historical ties to the United States and the widespread use of English in the country during that period. The imagery of the blacksmith and Mayon volcano on the 1 centavo coin symbolize the nation's dedication to hard works and the natural beauty of the Philippines. For collectors, the 1963 1 centavo coin is relatively common due to its high mintage. Its value varies based on condition, with uncirculated coins holding more significant words. As of now, the coin serves as the historical piece, reflecting a specific era in the Philippines' numismatic history. Maraming salamat sa panood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.